Dear students, this is part 3rd of this chapter. Here in this lecture we will be discussing the various trends that occur in the periodic properties of elements across the period and along the groups in a modern periodic table. So first starting with valence electrons. The number of electrons that are present in the outermost shell of an atom is known as valence electrons. So in a period, the number of valence electrons increases from 1 to 8 from left to right, and the number of shells is the same. For example, if we take the second period, the elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, all of these elements, they have the valence electrons in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. As the shell number remains the same, but the valence electrons gets increased by 1 unit. But we see that down the group, the number of shells gets increased from 1 to 4 in case of the elements like hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium, but the number of valence electrons remains same, and as such their valence electrons are 1 for each of these elements in this group. So along the group, the number of valence electrons remains same. The second property is valency. What is valency? It is actually the tendency of an element to combine with the other atoms by sharing its valence electrons. So along a period, we can see that the valency of the elements increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases from 4 to 0 from left to right. For example, the elements like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, in these elements the valence electrons are for lithium 1, for beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, neon 8, but their valency, so valency increases from lithium to carbon and then from carbon to neon it decreases. While as in down the group we see that the valence electrons remain same, and as such the valency also remains the same along the group. Third is atomic size. It is the size or the radius of the atom. In a period, the atomic size of elements decreases from left to right because the nuclear charge that increases, and as such the positive charge attracts the electrons and pulls them closer to the nucleus, and as such the radius of the atom gets decreased. It is seen that from top to bottom down the group we can see that the number of shells gets increased, and as such the distance between the nucleus and the shells also increase, or electrons also increase, and thus the atomic size increases while moving down the group. Here we can see that in group 1A, from hydrogen to cesium, the atomic size gets increased gradually, while as along the period the atomic size decreases gradually. Fourth property is metallic property or electropositive nature. It is the tendency of an atom to lose the electrons, to lose its outermost electrons. So in a period, the metallic property of the elements decreases from left to right. For example, in the third period, we have sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. The first two elements, that are sodium, magnesium, they are metals, while as silicon is metallide and sulfur, chlorine, argon are non-metals. So the metallic property decreases while going from left to right. While as in a group, the metallic property of elements increases from top to bottom. Example, in group 6A, the elements from carbon to lead, we see that the metallic property increases. Carbon and silicon, carbon is non-metal while silicon is metallide, germanium is metallide, and tin and lead are metals. Electronegative nature or non-metallic property. It is the opposite of metallic property, or it is the tendency of an atom to attract the lone pair of electrons towards itself or gain the electrons. So this tendency is known as electronegative nature. So we see that along a period the non-metallic property of the elements increases from left to right, and down the group the non-metallic property decreases. So we can see that from sodium to argon the non-metallic property increases, and while from carbon to lead non-metallic property decreases.